Are you tired of chasing people? Are you tired of running after people? Are you tired of being ghosted? I'm going to share with you 6 secrets that will make you incredibly attractive and increase your magnetism, but it's going to involve you letting go. Hi, everyone. Robert Zink, your miracle mentor and alchemy success coach. And today we are soaring high like a big, beautiful eagle. And we are always flying in the direction of your dreams and goals. High flyers, want to thank you for subscribing. But remember to click that bell icon because we want you to get the latest video when we release it. And by the way, we are going live sometimes 2 and 3 times a week, and you'll find out about it. Okay. 6 secrets that will help you become super attractive, more magnetic, but it's going to involve you letting go. It's going to give you a power that you never had before. Listen, this is important because you don't want to spend the rest of your life chasing people, being ghosted, trying harder to please them. You want to live your own journey, your deepest desires. Why are you here? What is the reason that you are alive at this time? Because you have a mission and a purpose. You have a reason to your life. Now, it may be as simple as simply getting married and having a family, or it may be as vast as becoming president or the head of a big corporation. But whatever it is, it's your journey. So what I'm suggesting to you, high flyers, is to fall in love with your journey, with why you are here, what your life is about. Think about it this way, high flyers. In the end, the only thing that's going to matter is the love you have given and the love you've received. That's the only thing that's going to be permanent in your existence. Everything else is going to pass away. Now, I'm not saying that other things aren't important. Having a nice house, having nice cars, having money in the bank, that kind of thing, that's very important to some people. And if that's part of your journey, you need to let it happen in your life. But you're going to have to let go. And if you've been chasing people, if you've been trying to please people, I know that, when I first started out in broadcasting, I was always concerned about how to say the right things. And I would listen to other radio announcers and disc jockeys, and I would try to emulate them. And finally, I kind of found my own voice. And when you find your own voice, you will sing your own song. And that's when your magnetism and your attractiveness will explode. I mean, you're going to be magnetic as AF, okay? Seriously. And that's the key. That's the secret. Letting go. So what do we need to let go of? We need to let go of our doubts, our fears, our limiting beliefs, our worries, our anxieties. We need to let go of other people's opinions. Look, they may mean well, but if you rule your life by the good opinions of others, you'll always be trying to play catch up. You'll always be trying to please others rather than live your journey. I think we also have to let go of our attachments. I was listening to a billionaire talk the other day, and he said, really? He said, all I needed, I'd be perfectly comfortable with just a nice room, a nice comfortable bed, a television set, a computer, and I could be very happy. Instead, he has this huge mansion. And he says, well, here's the point. I don't need the mansion to feel good about who I am. I don't need the mansion to feel positive about myself. I don't need the mansion to have confidence in my journey. I like the mansion. I enjoy the mansion, but I don't need it. And you don't either. So give up these attachments, these false attachments. You are here right now to leave an imprint on the world. Maybe just one person, maybe 2, maybe 100, maybe your specific person, maybe the people you work with, maybe your church group, whatever it is, your life has mission and purpose. The degree that you can let go of attachments, let go of limiting beliefs and doubts, is the degree you can increase your attractiveness, your beauty, and your magnetism. You lose your magnetism. You lose your appeal when you seek validation from others. You don't need them to validate you or to approve of your journey. If you hang on to your neediness, people will use it as a weapon. They'll use it as a weapon to hurt you, to ignore you, to ghost you, to block you, to spread rumors about you. They will see it as a weakness that they can use to control you. Like being on a treadmill, you just keep trying harder and harder and harder. But the treadmill keeps going faster and faster and faster, and you never gain ground. When you let go, it allows your most magnetic nature, the best part of who you are, to shine and glow. When your primary intention is to live at the highest version of who you are, you automatically attract love. You attract the kinds of people you want in your life. You attract money. You attract success. You attract happiness and contentment. You attract better relationships. You attract all the good things in life because you're living at the highest version of who you are. Here's a new belief for you. I am living my best life, and that makes me attractive AF. So secret number 1, do not surrender who you are, your principles, your values, your deepest beliefs, your journey for other people. Stay true to who you are. As Shakespeare said, to thine own self be true. Be true. Stop giving up who you are in order to please other people's opinions so that they will like you more and love you more. You don't need their validation, high flyers. Number 2, create positive affirmations about who you are. Not, we create positive affirmations about the things that we desire to manifest. But the most important thing to manifest is yourself, your true self. I am happy. I am generous. I am grateful. I am powerful. I am positive. And go on and on and on. Make a list of 50 to 100. Carry it with you and say it and feel it several times a day. Number 3, accept that other people may never apologize to you. They may never go out of their way to make things right. You see, you can wait 20 years for an apology. I know, I've done it. It doesn't work. So you give it up. I accept that some people will never apologize, that they will never change their views, that they will never change their behavior because they choose to be where they're at. But I'm not going to put myself in a position of being needy for their approval, their validation, or even their love. High flyers, number 4 is self-care, eating clean, taking care of yourself, loving yourself, giving yourself that extra time in the jacuzzi, exercising your body, getting that massage every now and then, going to your chiropractor, spending more time making yourself feel good. You have the ability to make yourself feel incredible simply through the power of your mind. Number 5, high flyers practice daily gratitude. Not once in a while, not now and then. Daily gratitude. Gratitude all day. Make it a part of who you are. Make it a part of your journey. Make it a part of your lifestyle. Make it a part of your personality. Look at, when you're a grateful human being, other people are automatically drawn to you. It's absolutely incredible, but it's true. And number 6, connect with source energy through meditation, through prayer, through just listening, being quiet, going internal, being mindful, focusing on your breathing. These are all ways that you can use to connect with source energy. Build that connection because you are a co-creator of your reality. And the deeper your connection with source, the more magnetic and attractive you become. Here's some other videos to help you on your journey.